in different places, in Ideally, in Edit Plus, in PyCharm. We have seen it. Now we will do some more examples. I will tell you some more, one or two examples I will tell you. Then I will go for the operators concept. I will introduce operators. Write down my head program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate simple interest, 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 and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay. Right, ma'am. Let us observe the logic first, ma'am. Let us observe the logic. So what is the input? What is the formula for simple interest? First of all, simple interest is equal to P star T star R by 100. P star T star R by 100. Tell me, what are the inputs, ma'am? What is the inputs here for you? Come on, I am expecting everybody to answer my questions. So already it's there, in front of it is there. Right side things, right side, left side thing you need to calculate. Left are your inputs, ma. PTR is your input. So here this is a formula, ma. Here P comma R are inputs. Need to read from where? Keyboard. Read from keyboard. Ah, yes. Need to take from keyboard. Very nice. And what to calculate? Calculate SII need to calculate, and amount to pay. Amount to pay also I need to calculate. Amount to pay also I need to calculate. So I will start the program. So I will print like a reporting format. I will print like a reporting format. Take new, and then others. Then I will take Python. Then I will take Python. Now I am taking, see, simple int.py is my Python file name. File name. Yes, ma'am. Sumit Kumar. Nice. But don't give the join quickly. Vijay Kumar. I'm saying that. Write a Python program. Once again, I am repeating the question for the latecomers who are joining. Write a Python program which will calculate simple interest, and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay. What is the formula for simple interest? See, the formula for simple interest is SI is equal to P star T star R by 100, where here PTR are called inputs. They are inputs. Need to read from keyboard. Need to calculate what? SI, simple interest you need to calculate, and the amount to pay you need to calculate. Okay, right. Let me go for the file name simple int.py. So P is equal to float. I am taking float, which will take int value as well as float value. Input of already you know. Enter, see carefully, principal amount, enter principal amount, enter principal amount. T is equal to float of input of enter time, enter the time 2 months or 3 months or what is that. Now R is equal to float of input of enter rate of interest. Now I am taking rate of interest. Right. Input is over. calculate SI. Now I am writing here comment. Cal SI and amount to pay. AMT PAY. Amount to pay. What is the formula? SI is equal to, now P star T star R by 100. 100. I got the simple interest. Amount to pay is equal to P plus, what is the principal amount? P plus. Now P plus, what is that? Principal amount plus SI is the total amount. Right. Here, see that, enter principal amount. I told already, you must read the notes. It is the type returning string type that I am converting into float type. Already explained. Naveen Kumar, please follow me. All the doubts will be at the end of the class. Last 15 minutes is for doubts. Except subject, confined to the subject. Let me move forward to the subject. Now, all these things, input function explained in yesterday's class. Please students, please understand me and read our notes before coming to the class. Amount to pay. Now display the result. Now I am coming, display the result. Display the result. What is that result? Now I am taking result. Result I am taking. And before that I am just printing for your better understanding. To see the good looking output, I am saying like this. So into some 50, into some 50, some line. I am just using it. Now I am saying 50. I am using. Now I will print my result. I will print my result into 50. There I am saying print of. I am writing principal amount. Principal amount. There I am taking comma. What I am taking, P. Right. Next I am taking. What is that, I am taking time. Time is equal to T. Next I am taking interest. I will take interest. Interest is equal to, I will take R. Now I will take, after that, print one small line, that is simple interest on the amount. Simple interest on amount is equal to what is that? SI. Last I will write it. Print of total amount to pay. Total amount to pay. Amount to pay is equal to comma TOT AMT. AMT pay. Okay. AMT pay. Amount to pay. These are the details which I written. Just normal story. Printing statement. And I done this. And we are having simple interest. And still if you want any separation of line between the calculation and your inputs, just I wrote like this. Let us save these details now. Save your code. Now I am going to this place. I will come to this place of F colon. In my system I am using F colon. There Python, KVR Python here. Data read. We are in the data read part. Now I am going to save my program here. Or basics also no problem. You can take in basics place. You can take it here. I am taking simple interest. These are all data reading related programs only. Now I am going to take here. I will take command prompt. You go for it. Command. Right. Now you execute. Now you try to say py and say simple interest.py. It is asking enter the principal amount. Some 1000 rupees you take it. Time I am taking 2 months you take it. Rate of interest some 3 for example you take it. 1000 into 2 into 3 by 100. How much it is going to be? 1002 into 3 by 100. It is going to be what? How much is the simple interest, ma? Come on, tell me quickly. I want the result. 1000 into 2 into 3 by 100. 60 is an answer. Nikhil, good. 60 is an answer. Okay, now everybody is saying 60. What is the total amount to pay? Not 600 ma, 60. Sumit Kumar, 60 only ma. Right. Now what is the total amount to pay? Amount, principal amount plus SI. Simple interest we got 60. Total amount to pay is 1060. See the output now. See the output carefully. The result we got it. Principal amount is equal to what you read from the keyboard. Time is interest. Simple interest on that amount is 60 rupees and the total amount to pay is what? 1060. 1060. Now you enter and just go for whatever you like it. 20,000. So something like 12 months and then rate of interest is 12.5 months, 12.5 rupees and then rate of interest is, see that, then 20,000, 12 and 12.5 on that amount, this one, and this 20,000 plus your 30 and it is going to be what? 50,000. Is it understandable, guys, all of you? Are you understanding, all of you? Please confirm once. Right, good. So, good response. Right, nice. Let us move forward to the writing the notes. Writing this program, and one more time I am asking you, and because of in my office system, I am getting to my home, and then I will upload that notes. Actually, it is become delayed. Yesterday only I supposed to be uploaded, and I will bring tomorrow. I am going to office, and I will get system to my home. Then I will upload that notes to you, and don't feel it is little delayed. I will upload it. So Vijay Kumar, how to calculate simple interest? What is this, ma? Line number 6 is what, ma? Vijay Kumar. Line number 6, what is this, Vijay Kumar? Calculating simple interest only, no, ma? This line number 60, line number 6. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I will upload everything, ma. It is a little delayed. Please don't mind. I will upload everything. I will bring my classroom system. I will to my home. I will upload everything. Right. Please do it. Calculate, ma, all of you. No, ma. It is in the offline, online only. I'm just bringing that system to my home. It is online only. Output I will show you once. See that output. Output you want to see. Output. Then you take this. Write the code. In line number 6, simple interest is calculated, and then line number 7, total amount is calculated. Then in print statement, I am printing them. What is there in that? It is calculated here. Simple interest is calculated. Total amount to pay is calculated, and I am printing that. I am printing the given inputs. I am printing the calculated amount also. SI is calculated and printed. Line number 2, if I take float value, it can work out for integer value as well as float value. If I take int value there, it is working only for integers. It will not work for float. That's why we took it as a float, which is suitable for both int as well as float. That's the meaning. The amount can be what? 20,000.25 also. The amount can be what? 1,000.67 also. The amount can be coming in decimal places. That's why I took it as float. Please make it fast, ma. I want to discuss one small print statement I want to explain. Some print statement, some special form I want to explain today. Some special form. No, ma. This print statement is nothing but just for print star slash of some line of 50. That is just for decoration to see good output purpose. Just program looking good, output looking good purpose, I used it. Okay, ma? Done, na? Yes, ma. Now, yes, ma. I will show the result, ma. I will show you the result. Don't worry. I will show you the result. Yes, ma. This is not a big program. Small program. One small program. This is very small program. Yes, ma. So I'm okay. Done. So it is not a big program. Small. Don't feel that it is a big. Still, I will write so many big programs. I will take you to the case studies level. Okay. Right. Now I am taking print function. I just want to talk about it. One small print function I want to talk about it. Look at, see here, principal amount is equal to, see how I am printing it, amount is equal to double quotes, so comma, A, P, something like that I wrote. Let me go to the command prompt to test the statements, to test your statements at a time, to test your statements at a time. So go to the Python command prompt. Now I am taking command prompt level. Look at all of you, A is equal to 10. How we are printing that print carefully, all of you carefully observe. Print of A. This is called one way of printing the value. Printing the value like 10 is printed. Okay. How do you print another value of A? I want to print like this. Value of A. I am just showing. Value of A is equal to 10. I want to print like that. Sorry, I want to print. So value of A is equal to is called a message. 10 is the value. How do you print it, ma? Print of double quotes. Anything you start in double quotes, that is going to write message. Value of A is equal to double quotes comma A you are writing. That is called value of A is equal to 10. It is printing like that. Okay, na? Right. Now you can also print the print statement from now onwards with this effective one. Print of, see carefully, value of A. Value of A is equal to or if you feel difficulty, I am writing double quotes, I am writing just curly brace bracket, curly brace, opening curly brace. Then you see double quotes end, double quotes end, in that opening curly brace, in that point we want to print one value. Format of A. Format is called one function which is formatting a value. Just go on listening 2 to 3 examples you listen, you will get an understanding part. This a value is substituted here, This is an effective for long term examples. This is an effective. What is printed? You see 10 is printed. 10 is printed. So once you write this curly brace, open it and closing brace, to print the value at that position, you will use one format of A. Once again, I will take A is equal to 10 and B is A comma B. I will write A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. I want to print A and B values. How do you print? Print of 2 curly braces I will use. 2 curly braces. 2 curly braces I used. End dot format of A comma B. A comma B. See carefully. This A value is formatted to this left side brace. Second B value is formatting to this place. Enter key. 10 and 20 printed. Now I will print value of A now. Value of A and B. Value of A is, I want to print like this. Value of A is equal to 10 and value of B is equal to, I want to print 20. Like that I want to print. See carefully. Message is there plus value is there. How do you print? Start here. Print. First you print one thing. Double quotes. Value of A is equal to, wherever you want to print the value, you say curly brace, opening bracket, closing bracket. Close the bracket, dot format. This entire thing is called a string. You take immediately dot format of, say what? A. See what is printed? Value of A is equal to, what is printed? Opening bracket, closing brace. This A value is formatted in this place. Right? Look at one more example I am saying. Value of B, value of A and B I want to print. Print, you see, double quotes. Value of A is equal to, like this, and value of B is equal to like this. Dot, see, starting double quotes, ending double quotes. Dot, to that string we are formatting the value. Format of A comma B. See, take care about the brackets closing and opening. A value. This A value is here and this B value is here. For this B value will be formatting here. Enter key. See that value of A is 10 and value of B is equal to 20. Yes ma, no problem. You see, single quote you use it. So here you see, single quote I am using. Now you see, I got it. Because already we learned in the classes ma, but that either we can use single quote or we can use a double quotes also. Already we learned that concept now ma? Right. Now let us move to next some calculation part. Let us see, I am going to use it now. I want to go for last and final. A comma B is equal to 10, 20. C is equal to A plus B. I want to print sum of. Directly you can print ma, but most powerful thing is this format. Print of, see, sum of 10 and 20 is equal to 30. I want to print sum of A. In this place A will come, and one more, in this place B will come, is equal to, in this place C will come. Double quotient, dot format of A comma B comma, so where is the C? How many curly braces are there? 3 curly braces are there. 3 variables values we are taking. It is going to print values like this. It is something like percentage D, percentage F, like that in the olden days programming. Suppose if you miss it, one bracket here, one curly brace if you are mapping, if you are forgetting, for example, value will not print, C value will not print. See, A value printed, B value printed, C value will not print. C value will not print. Suppose you are using some 3 braces you are using and you are not passing one value. You are not passing one value. See that it is an error. You are using three places and you are supplying only 2 things. It is an error. I hope that you people are understanding. I think so. Is it okay, guys? Are you familiar with this, ma? All of you, please confirm once. Please confirm. Right. Understood. From now onwards, use such type of print statement in our class. From now onwards, we use such type of print statement in our class. Okay. Now, I am going to move forward to the next example. Next example. For triple double quotes, for multi-line things we can use. For multi-line, triple double quotes we can use triple double quotes. Right? Write down. Next program. After the program, I will go to the operators. Write down last and final program. And this programming will be continued from now onwards. We gear up to the programming. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept student details. So see, very good example. Which will accept student details from the keyboard. Which will accept student details from the keyboard. Which will accept student details from the keyboard. Which will accept student details from the keyboard and display the student result 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 and display the student result. Display the student result. Right, ma? Now I am going for the next program. Next program I am going to introduce. This main specialty of this program is how to read the mixed values. There is an int data is there, float data will be there, string data will be there, various things. Now see that my file name is stud.py. Stud.py. Program for reading what details? Number I want to read, name I want to read. Right. Please ma, please switch off your videos ma, please. Because some of them are getting disturbance ma. Please switch off your videos. I am requesting to all my students, please switch off. Right. We should not disturb the class. Please switch off. Right. So, yes. Now I am going to use student details. Look at that. I will read SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number, because SNO is always int type. Right. Second, next I will take S name is equal to S name is equal to, what is that next? Input of, please switch off your videos ma. I am requesting to everybody, please switch off. Input, enter student name, It is a good example for everybody to understand. See, I am not converting to anything. Why? Input function itself will return the value in the form of string type. S name is string type only. Next I am taking marks is equal to what type I am taking? Float type I am taking, converting into that. Input of enter student marks, right? Done. Marks I got it. Next last C name is equal to I am taking here C name is equal to input of I am entering, input of entering, enter student is name, college name, right? So I read the details. Now I need to display the details. I want to display. So I'm writing the comment, display the details, display student details, display student details, display the student details. Dear students, already we understood that print function, how to use it. In the further I will go for, I will read your marks also. First subject, second subject, third subject, like that. I will calculate the total marks. I will see that your marks report will be generated. Distinction passed, first class passed, second class passed, we will go for that type of good programming we will discuss. Now this program, how to read the things, how to do the small calculation, and how to print it. Now I am writing a printer. Now I am writing student details, see, student details. Now I am taking print of some line of 50. Now print of, now I am writing student number is equal, I am saying print dot format of yes and o. See carefully, format I am using. No need to use list no need to use list Karthik, no need to use. So I am just reading and printing, that's it. Name is equal to format of what name? Yes, a name. Next I am writing student marks. You need not to print in the order, you can print in any order, not a problem. What marks? I am taking marks. Next I am taking student college name, I am taking here. This name I am taking, there I am taking C name I am taking, right? Done. And this part is there na, I will print. So just for looking good output purpose, that's it. Other than that, nothing is there. Save this program. All of you observe it, save it here. I will save my program. In the basics, I do it. Right, ma? Next, come on to the point. In this place, try to execute. Py student.py. Enter the student number 112. Name of the student is called what? Name of the student is Naveen Kumar. Next is called what? Marks is called some 67.88, and the college name is called OUCET, for example. So I got the name of the number, I got it, name I got it, marks I got it, and then OUCET got it. Right, ma? So I think that the main intention of telling this code is how we are converting it depends on our input. By thinking by yourself, number is always integer format. Marks, you may get the marks in the integer or in float format, but in our examination point of view and all, integer format you will get it. No need to write for input of name is concerned, no need to write str ma. No need to write str. Even if you write str also, no problem at all. Even you can write C str of. Is there any use of it? It is a waste of time only. See, I will write str for name also. It is a waste of time of writing that. Right, ma? It is a waste of time. Right? So here we go for, it is more number of students data also we can write, that is there in our classroom 34. Now say KVR, now say some marks is called like this. Next college name is called OUCET. The data will be printed like this. So no need to write any type of str. So we will go for I want to write 200 people's data. For example, I want to write our students data. I want to take 300 students data. I want to take it. How to take it, sir? We are going to have the principle for that. I will tell you that. Don't worry. I will take you to the extreme situation. Nobody can stand in front of you if you read my notes. And of course, don't feel that Sir is saying that, yes, it is our expertism in programming will make you as a unique student, provided you need to read the notes, practice, and need to come to the class like anything. You keep every responsibility on me. I will take you as a unique student in Python. That's my 100% responsibility. I will do it. That is what is my total experience of the teaching says. Okay, please write down, ma. So str need not to write. When you want to convert any type to int type, float type, etc., then we will go for it. See, already in my system, there is a MySQL database is there, Oracle database is there. I made it ready, everything. MySQL 8.0. I already made it ready. Everything is installed to enter into the MySQL communication with Python. Oracle Python communication. Python with SQLite 3. That is in real-time projects, we will do that. Right? Take it, ma. So to do that wonderful programming, we need to start from here now. Start all of you. Don't try to take as it is a copy. You try to write on in our book on your own. If you get a doubt, see on that and make it clear. Write down quickly. See that your indentation should be so dangerous in Python. Start with extremely left edge. If you give a small space, you will get so many errors. That is one of the most important thing. Yes, ma. Tirupati Rao. See, I used 50 for what purpose, ma? So many times I said this. 50 means 50 times this small line will display, ma. 50 times this small line will display. I will use 70, no problem. Here I will use 70 times. Here I will use only 30 times. 30 times this line will display. Okay, ma? I will show you. That result also I will show you. Yes, ma'am, we can print a format also, but we learn new things, new things. You can print it directly, no problem. Sai Kumar, you can print, ma, no problem. Yes, ma'am. Good, good. So equal lines of things I am showing. Python is case sensitive. Whatever variables you are using, same way we need to use it. Small letter or capital letter, that is depends on our things. Right. Come on, ma, make it fast. So I will give you a small homework for you. You try to do it. So small homework. From now onwards, homework session will start. Assignment session will start. Small examples I will give you for you. You try to do it. Yes, ma. We can write without this 70 also. Why you feel difficult about this statement, ma? Why, what is there in this? It's very simple, na, ma. It's very simple. I can write it. What is there? Remove this. What is there? It's like a neat looking output, ma. Neat looking output. That's it. I'm just using some lines. In place of that, I can write like this. Remove this 70. Where is the difficulty here? Just write like this. No problem. Write like this. No problem. Yes, ma. Dasu, Rachana. We can store student details in where, ma? MySQL we can store. Database. SQLite 3 you can store. All the places we can do it, ma. Yes. we are going to discuss it is there in our class, DC, PBDB, Python database communication. Python database communication. PDBC. We are going to discuss that. Don't worry, we will reach to the ultimate place. So now I am going to run. Somebody is asking to run this, sir. So I am using this line. So why to waste our time of pressing that line? That's why I used 70. Now I am just running this program once. All of you. Same type of thing. Number 1, ABC. Number marks is called 35.56. College name is called JNTUH. JNTUH. So I got to see that lines. How many lines here? Only 30 lines is written like this. So small things that is output here. Okay, right. So these lines, rather than writing these many lines, I just showed down. I just specified one line and I minimized my output just like this of what into 15, 16, 17. So don't take much risk on this simple thing for you. Right. I hope that everybody completed, right? Come on, ma. So I'm confirming that you completed this. Okay. Next, write down. Yes, ma. I told you just now to store all our students' data, 300 students' data. If I want to store it, I have separate concept is that we will discuss that. Logic is same, but we are going to keep it in the looping ma. Loops we will use it. Loops. Employee details also same. Same. Employee details also same. Write down. You write down 2 programs. I will give homework now. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept employee data, 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 such as employee number, comma, employee name, comma, salary, under designation, employee number, employee name, comma, salary, under designation. Which will accept employee details, whatever I said, and display the employee details. Continue. And display the employee details, same as this. As it is, same. This you do it. This you do by yourself. This is homework. No, ma. No need to use semicolon. I already told you. In Python programming, need not to write semicolon. Need not to write semicolon. Keep it, leave it. Need not to write. One more program you write. Write a Python program. Which will convert. Yes, means position. Which will convert Celsius temperature into foreign heat temperature. 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 I will give the formula for you. No need to worry. Formula I will give you. See the formula, ma. See the formula. See that formula. See that? Here I am saying. Now see. F is equal to foreign heat temperature. Ft is equal to foreign heat temperature is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. What is this C? CT. CT means what? Celsius temperature. It can also be written by somebody as what? You know. It can also be written by somebody as what? You know. Ft is equal to 9 by 5 is nothing but what? 1.8 into CT plus 32. 9 by 5 is nothing but 1.8 only. 9 1 ja 9, 4 dot 40, 5 8 ja 40, 1.8. 1.8 CT plus 32. What is your input in this here? What is your input? Here, what is the input? CT is your input. Yes, ma. Read the temperature into temperature into type of flow type of, you decide what is there. You decide. Take the CT as input for you. Just a plain program this is. We are introducing the looping statements, operators, everything is going to start. A biggest type I am going to start. Take this input as a float type or int type. In our news reading, it is coming for you. They are giving that 40 degrees, 42 degrees Celsius at foreign heat, what they are giving, you just take that. Right? It's up to you. For the programming purpose, you take int or float. What is there? And you print CT you print and then FT you print it. Okay? The program is clear for all of you? Yes. Now we are entering into the biggest discussion in the class. Calculate the formula, take the formula and be ready. I will ask tomorrow who has done the program. That time you have to say that, sir, I completed like that. After completion only you must say that it is completed, sir. Now I am entering into the beautiful concept which is the most important for you in the entire Python. Write down the heading, operators in Python. Main heading. Open the new page, operators in Python. Operators in Python. A big discussion will be 3 to 4 days discussion will be done on operators. Every topic, discussion program, concept program, concept syntax program. From now onwards, this is going to be done. Need to read the notes like anything. Look at. So, operators in Python. So, first let us understand what is an operator. I am writing an operator. Look at, an operator is a symbol. That homework program, leave the space and then do it. An operator is a symbol. An operator is a symbol which is used to perform, some operation, Okay. So what are the operators, you know, sir? In our program like conversion of temperatures, I used a star operator. Multiplication operator is called. We used a plus operator. We may use a minus operator. We may use different type of operators, greater than, less than, etc. I am going to give the classification now. Now, such a type of operator connected with something. See, for example, A is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. CMA. Our previous formula you take it. FT is equal to 1.8 CT plus 32. So the operator plus is connected with the left side value and connected with right side value also. Sometimes you are taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and you are saying C is equal to A plus B also. What is this? Operator plus is connected with A and B. And plus, I may write minus some 23 also. The minus is connected with an variable as well as a literal also. Literal means value. Literal means value. So the operators are connected with the variables as well as literals also. Variables are nothing but operands. Nothing but what? Also we call it as an objects. In Python, all variables are called objects. Dear students, this is known as expression. Expression. It is known as also called expression. Expressions are with what? Variables. Variables, also called as operands. Operands, also called as connected with what? Literals. Literals are nothing but what? Values. Now you see, if the operator is connected with two or more variables oblique operands. Operands is nothing but what? Variables only. Operands oblique what? Literals. If the operator is connected with two or more variables, operands oblique literals, then it is called expression. We can call expression. If the operator is connected with two or more variables, operands or literals, then it is called expression. In other words, you can write an expression is connected with two or more variables connected with an operator. An expression is a collection of variables or operands connected with an operator is also called an expression. Anything you can write. In other words, I will write. In other words, because this is very, very important. But form an expression, I will say. Form an expression is nothing but what? Collection of variables connected with an operator, connected with the values. In other words, I will write. In other words, see carefully. In other words, an expression is a collection of variables, operands, literals connected with an operator. An expression is a collection of variables connected with an operator. Variables, it can be operands, it can be etc. It is called PTR by 100 is called one expression. Our formulas are called expressions. A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square, all are called expressions. So in our Python program, most of them, we are using some formulas. In the data science level, if you come, we will be getting some sigma notations, we'll get some pi notations. I'm going to tell you that kind of programs also to you. Right? Now, in Python programming, we have different type of operators. Let me show you that different type of operators. They are. Now I am writing one by one. Please keep concentration. Number one, arithmetic operators. That you already done, but some speciality is there in that. That's why I am writing. Arithmetic operators. I am not explaining this for plus, minus. Plus, minus, star is common, but there are additionally 4 more operators are there. That is what I am going to explain for you. Something great. Second is called what? Assignment operator. There also speciality is there. Assignment operator. Something special I will explain. Anything I am explaining which is something special, don't feel that I am boasting. Something special which is coming 100% in our real-time written test point of view. Anything special I explain. In our data type special cases I said. You remember that special cases, 100% they will be coming. Right. Third point I am going to write. Relational operators. Number 4 is called logical operators. Logical operators. Number 5 is called what? Number 5 is called what? This is logical operators. Next is called what? Bitwise operators. Excellent. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. Number 6. Number 6th is called what? Identity operators. Identity operators. Or first I will write membership operators. Membership. Membership operators. Membership operators. Number 7, identity operators. Identity operators. Identity operators. Membership operator, very, very important. Not. Identity operators is not. Right? These are the operators we are going to get it. So there is some miscellaneous operators. That is nothing but this only people will say, but we are calling some names are there for that. Membership operators, identity operators, some names are there. Those operators and each and everything in detail we will discuss it. In detail we will discuss it. So let us move forward to the place. So we want to discuss first with what operators? Arithmetic operators we will enter into the class. First one we enter into that arithmetic operators. Right? So we will enter into the arithmetic operators. Shall we start? Right. Write down operators heading. In that you write down that. Yes, mom. Plus plus operator, minus minus operators are not there in Python. We have in C language, C++, Java. Plus plus, plus plus I plus plus, minus minus I minus. They are not there in Python language. Plus plus I is nothing but I plus 1. There is nothing but I plus plus operator. We can use it. Write down clearly, mom. Now we will enter into one very perfectly. Right, ma? Completed. Now I am going for arithmetic operators. So after writing the notes, keep it close, and you memorize by yourself. So what SAR said, what is an operator? People will ask you, what is an operator? Operator is a symbol. What is the use of it? Performing the operation. Which type of operation? Arithmetic operations, relational operations. Arithmetic operators in detail is what addition, subtraction, multiplication, like. How many operators are there? At least we need to tell all of them. So you memorize it. That is a way to becoming perfection in the class itself. Right, ma, completed. Yes. Now I'm waiting for 10 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds I will wait. So complete it quickly. Please practice, ma. I'm requesting all of you, please practice. It's my advice. Because once we enter into the loops, after this we are entering into the loops. Their programming will start, which is little critical if you don't practice. Please practice, ma. Okay. Now I'm going for arithmetic operators. I'm going to introduce. Look at that. How much importance you will be getting it, and what questions will come in the written test point of it. What questions are coming on arithmetic operators? Immediately we will discuss. Okay. Look at that. I am starting. So these operate first. Always understand first the purpose. That is called understanding concept. These operators, these operators are used for performing performing arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic addition. Now I will write the table of operator. Now I am writing the table of these operators. I am going to write the table. Okay. Don't worry. I will write the table of symbols and all. So used for performing arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operations? You will get it in the table. You will get it. Like you want addition, add, sub, multiplication, etc. You will get so many. Here I am writing. Okay. We understand the operators. If the variables are operands or literals connected with an operator, which operator? Arithmetic operator, known as arithmetic expression. If the operator, which type of operator we are using? Arithmetic operators. Now I am writing. Arithmetic operators are connected with literals. Literals means what? Values. Numeric literals. 10 integer literal. 10.5 float literal. True is called Boolean literal. Connected with literals are operands. Operands. Nothing but what? Variables only. Variables only. Variables. If arithmetic operator, if arithmetic operators are connected with literals or operands or variables, then it is called arithmetic expression. We can call expression. We can call arithmetic expression. We can call arithmetic expression. Okay, arithmetic expression we call. Good. Now this table. Now I am writing the following table gives. The following table gives. The following table gives. The following table gives list of arithmetic operators. list of arithmetic operators. So now I'm going to write the table. So I'm giving the nodes like an LKG student. Of course, we may be big students, but I want to explain you detailed nodes so that you can read and it is most useful for you like anything. This nodes is for next 15 years. Like that, we will prepare them from bottom level to the topmost. Okay, serial number, operator, that is called a symbol. I will write the symbol, and meaning I will write it, meaning, and followed by examples. Right. Bilal, I will tell you, ma, look at that. First, you look at that. I will tell you that concatenation operator. Simple, I will tell you, ma. After this only, I will be showing to you. In the command prompt, I will show you. Don't worry, ma. Right. Serial number one is plus, operator plus is called addition. Right. First, let me complete the basic operators in arithmetic stage. It is called a minus. This I need not to tell you. Already you are perfect. From the beginning of your career, we already done subtraction. Next, third is called a star is called a multiplication. Dear students, multiplication operator we used in different contexts. The star operator is used in different contexts. Take one small example. Coming to the command prompt, coming to the Python command prompt. This is one of the tester for us. It acting like a tester. It is a tester for you in your Python program. Right now, look at that. Here, I'm having a comma b is equal to a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now I want to multiply them. C is equal to a star b. Print of what? A comma b comma c is what multiplication operator is printed. Same thing. I'm saying that print of. See carefully. Here, Hyderabad is called one word that I want to print star 3. I will write it star 3. See, actually people will think what? This is called str data. Star 3. People will feel that multiplying the string data with the numerical value, which is not multiplication. In Python, in Java, in other languages, it is an error. But in Python, clear behavior is providing the HYD is repeated for 3 times. That's why whenever I apply the star operator between the str data and any numerical value, that is the integer numerical value, it is just treated as a repetition operator. See that HYD printed 3 times. HYD printed 3 times. So star is called what here? I will print Python. I want to print for 5 times. See that within the double quotes what you are reading star 5 times the Python is printed. So star operator is called here what? Repetition operator. Dear students, carefully follow then done. Let us go to that. In the arithmetic operator, it is used for multiplication. Examples I will take it Examples. Taking a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Please be careful. Comma c I am writing. C I am here. Addition operator. C is equal to a plus b. What is the result? Tell me quickly. 13. It is already known for you. Nothing is a speciality. C is equal to a minus b. What is an output? 7. Output is called 7. Next is called C is equal to a minus b. The result is called what? 7. Next I will go for multiplication. I will go for it. C is equal to what? A star b. Output is called what? Output is called 30. Okay, this is very simple for you. There is no much difficulty. Now fourth onwards starts difficulty. See that symbol 4, 5, 6 and then 7. Here important for you, because with my knowledge, which I've seen from last 23 years of experience, even which I taught different type of operators in various technologies and all, you are getting some small confusion. Normal, that is normal. But here, once if I'm showing practically, try to understand. Slash, slash, double slash. This is the most important. And then percentage operator, and then star operator is there. Star operator is there. Star. Then I will use some small ample of space between them, because these are new for you, na? That's why I'm giving ample of space. This is known as division operator only we call. Now division operator I will call division operator, but I'm going to call it as it leads to float coefficient it will give you. I'm saying once again, division operator, it will give you the coefficient. In our basic level of school education, we found that dividend, divisor, remainder, coefficient. It will give you float coefficient. It will I will write division operator. It will give you float coefficient. Coefficient it will give you, right? Float coefficient it will give you. So what is that float coefficient? Take an example here. Now I am writing C is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3. It will give you the float coefficient. What is that? 3.333333. So many threes will come. That is nothing but float coefficient. Division, small cases, small school level, 10 by 3. 10 by 3. You might be knowing that. If you want 3 in the curly braces will take, left side you take 3. 3 is 9, remainder is 1. 3 dot 0. 3 3 is 10, again 1. So going on repeating. That is called a float coefficient. If anybody is having a doubt, of course, for them I just want to tell you. Again they will ask you once again what is that sir. Now I am taking one paint more. And please don't feel that sir is making a school students. Sir is explaining basics also. Sir, yes. If I don't explain, who will explain the basics for you if you don't know? So I will explain that. I will explain. Please see, if anybody is not getting it, please understand me. Ma? So I'm writing 10 by 3. 10 in Python, 10/3 I am writing. So what is the answer is coming? I said 3.33333. So many things you will get it. So how it is done? I'm saying like a school student. So here I'm taking like a in our school days how we did. I'm just showing to you, just for a minute, and don't feel sorry is explaining basics, because if I don't explain in one of the moment you will ask me the same also. That's why I'm giving clarity here itself. When you ask that time, I will say already I taught to you. So this is called 3. What is that now? 3 3s are 9. Here 9 will come. 9. Even bottommost student also can understand. What is the remainder? Remainder is coming what? 1. 1 is coming. What you will do according to our division theory? You will write a dot, and you will write a 0 here. Again, same. How do you write it here, ma? 3, you will write it. 3, you will write it. 3. And here I am writing what, ma? Here I am writing 3. And it is going to be what? 1. Remainder is called 1. And this is repeated. The same process repeated for so many number of times. So here I am writing 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Mathematically, we will write 3.3 recurring. We will write it. Listen, ma. Let me complete. Why you will take tension? 3.3333, etc. You will take it. That is called float coefficient. You will get it. Float coefficient. You will get it. Float coefficient. You will get it. 10.3. Now you come to this is called floor division operator. We can call floor means what? Bottom. Floor division. See the name of the operator. Coming to C is equal to, here I will write what? My A by B. This is A by B. Here I am writing C is equal to next line I will write next line C is equal to A slash slash B. It will give you only integer coefficient will come, that is called 3 only will come. Again and again I don't want to explain, please understand, this is called integer coefficient. This is what I want to tell you, because sometimes you will get what is the difference between both of them, they will ask you. Because of you may forget, you will get the problem. Let us test it at your tester level. Print of 10 by 3 directly, 10 by 3 single slash. See 3. Print of 10 by 10 slash 3, you are getting what? See, test it. We should not forget now. Single slash float coefficient, double slash integer coefficient. I got it. Even 10 by 2 you take it. 10 by 2. 5. Don't worry about whatever I am saying, you learn it more. Right. 10 by 3. 10 by 5 you see. 5.0. 10 5.0 will come. 5.0 will come. 5.0. Right. Please confirm once. Is this double slash and single slash is clear, so that I can go to the modulus operator. Is it clear for 4 and 5? Please confirm. You should not forget. You should not forget, ma. You should not forget. Yes. Next I am going for one more thing. Modulus operator. Now I am writing modulus. Modulo, we can call this is called modulo division. This is known as modulo division, we can call modulo division. This will give you this remainder. Always it will give you remainder. These are dealing with coefficient. Modulo division will give you coefficient. Okay. So once more, sir. Once more. Like I heard in our childhood days, if song is very good, they will say once more, sir. Now if it is because of poor network connection, once again, sir. Bilal is once more, sir. So I am asking, single slash is called what? Division, which will give you what? Float coefficient. Means 10 by 3. It is going to give you 3.33333. Double slash is, I don't want float coefficient. I want only floor division. That is integer coefficient only I want. Integer coefficient. That is called 10. C is equal to A double slash B. It will give you only integer coefficient amount. Only 3 will come. Only 3 will come. 3. Right. Done. Modulo division. C is equal to A percentage operator B. It will give you what? Remainder. See that remainder you see in our calculation. After this is done, remainder is called what? Modulo division. What is the remainder? After 3 is coming, what is the remainder is coming? 10 by 3. What is the remainder? 1. Remainder is called 1. From here it is called remainder is called 1 only. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus remainder, na? That is 10 is coming. I hope that you understood. Now coming to that, now most important thing is star exponentiation operator. It is very important in data sets. Exponentiation operator. Exponentiation operator, this is called. Suppose exponentiation operator. Let us come to one small example I want to give it. See, case number 1, where I am going to apply. Case 1, see. Somebody is calculating x to the power of n, x to the power of n, x to the power of n, mathematics I am talking about, x to the power of n. Here, x is called base, here, x is called base, and n is called power. How do you calculate? X into n times you need to do with a normal multiplication operator. X into x. So many times I need to calculate. So x to be multiplied n number of times. This is giving you lot of time waste. That's why we will write x star star n. I will write it x star star n, which is equal to x to the power of n, exponentiation operator. One more example, case number 2, excellent this is. It is one of the written test question, amma. See, somebody is asking, calculate square root of a given number. Square root of a given number. They will give you like this. And they will think that, so this is a very big code, they will think. Very big code, they will think. Actually, this is very simple, ma. Square root of n. Write the program for square root of n. So, square root of n. Square root of a given number. What is that square root of a given number? Start. What is that? How do you write mathematically? N is equal to n to the power of 1 by 2. SQRT function we apply, ma. Naveen, we will apply SQRT 1. We will write it. They will ask you, write without using SQRT function. They will say, square root of n is nothing but n to the power of 1 by 2. That is equal to, I am saying, n to the power of 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 0.5. N to the power of nothing. 1 by 2, how much? Totally forget this school days concepts. 1 by 2, how much, man? 0.5. Which is equal to, mathematically, how do you write it? N into n star star into 0.5. No, ma. No cap symbols. That is very different symbol. That is a bitwise operator. Maybe used in some other languages. In Python, we need to use. Is this case is clear for all of you? Is this case which I am explaining, is these two cases are clear or not? All of you, please confirm. So be perfect, because whatever I am saying, keep that special things. Suppose they will say, sir, calculate cube root. Here they will write 3. In this place, 3 they will write n to the power of 1 by 3. N to the power of 1 by 3. N into 1 by 3 we will write it. Cube root they will write. See, for example, they will write like this. 1 minute. They will write like this. Nth cube root, whatever they give you, cube root they will give you. They will ask you like this. Now see, 1 minute. This is the number. They are giving the number n. They are asking cube root. They are writing 3 here. Because in data science, some formulas will come. That is equal to, how do you write it? Ma? N to the power of. On the top of n, what is there? 1 is there. 1 is nothing but what? When it comes to this place of this, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but what? You can happily write 1 by 3 simplification. If you don't know, no problem. N into star star 1 by 3, you can write it, no problem. What is there? 1 by 3 like this, you write it. Now I will show you in the testing. Tester is there for you. See how easy. 25 square root is what? 25 square root, ma? N is equal to 25. 25 square root is what? 5. How you get it easily? See, n into 0.5. You see that? What I got it? 5.0. 81 is there. N is equal to 81. Square root of it, n into 0.5. I got 9.0. You can do with mathematical, you can do with a predefined function also. Import math is called one module. Math dot sqrt of n I will say. See the result, 9.0. With our exponentiation operator also I got 9.0. With math dot export exprt also we got it. But in industry they will ask you, write without predefined function. This case is very important. Lot of times this question will come. Lot of times they will come. Now suppose n is equal to 27 amma, n is equal to 27. Now they are asking n into 1 by 3. See that answer, n into 1 by 3. I will write it. See that answer what is coming, 3.0 cube root. Here we should not write it. That first I need to do this bracket part. Then I did cube root. 3 cube is equal to what? 27 only. Cube root of 20 what? Like this. Are you understanding the applications of this exponentiation operator, ma? Are you understanding, ma? Now tell me, C is equal to A star B. What is that, please? Come on, all of you. 10 into 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10, it is called 1000. Right? So all these operators are clearly explained. These arithmetic operators are clear or not? These arithmetic operators are clear or not, ma? Yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Yes. Thank you for your compliments. Still, you will compliment me many times because we are just to enter into our Python. We will crack the Python like anything. We will show you the miracles in Python. Right, ma? Right. Fine. Perfect. Write down. Now, if you practice and if you get the job, that is only the written gift for me. If you read, that is only the written gift for me. Write down the arithmetic operators. Yes, ma. Write down. Naveen, math function will come by default from Python software itself, Amma. Third softwares are there. Communicating with MySQL, communicating with Oracle. That time we will install that modules separately. I will tell you that. PIP tool we will use, PIP, Python installation packages. I will tell you how to use it. Until that, don't worry. We'll take star operator, exponential operator. Sadiq, you are praising me. Thank you for more. Sachin is a god of cricket. Kevirav sir is a god of Python. So nice of you, and you are praising me. that prices will keep lot of responsibility on me. Really, I will keep it on this. Really, I will keep it on my shoulders. I will make you as a wonderful student, and nobody can stand in front of you. That is my total target. I can do like anything. Right. Right. So offline classes we don't know more. Maybe starting I will explain you in the online only like this. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So Java is also we do. Yes. So yeah, Raj Kamal, you are saying Java also like that. Yes, ma'am. Java also we do. Whatever subject we handle, we will do our things like this. So even in Django also, in Django also, we will do most wonderful web application development with Python also. I will tell you like anything. Yes, ma'am. You are Java student too. Yes. Nice. Right. So all the operators. Right, ma'am. In further I will start that. Kishore, in further I will start data science also. We will take care that. Right. So operators, take care. List of operators. Django also I will teach Django also. Not now. I will tell you in the class when to start that. After coming to OOPS features, we will talk about that. Right, ma. I will give my contact number, ma. Further classes, I'll give my contact number, ma. Please don't worry. Yes, ma. Python opening jobs are many. Python openings are many. So many are there. But first we will improve our subject. Later, jobs will come like anything. Nothing to worry about that. Please complete it quickly, ma. Yes, ma'am. We will tell you that. I will tell you when I will start, then we can do. Because all 5 slots are already full. And evening 5 o'clock we are having 6 o'clock we are having new Python batch. Now all 5 slots are full. When any one slot is done, we will go for it. Yes, ma'am. We have the placement cell also separately in Naresh IT. We are going to have it. Right, ma. It is. Now I am going to give you double star operator. Star operator is nothing but performing exponentiation, ma. Right. It is. You see. Suppose 2 cube I want to do it. 2 into 2 into 3 times you need to do na 2 into 2. So instead of writing that time, we will say 2 double star 3. It will give you 2 cube. It is 2 to the power of 8. 2 into 2 into 8 times. So how do you do it? 2 star 3. 2 star 3. It is nothing but 2 star 8. 2 star 9. Anything it can be done. Right? It is. Did you understand, ma? Okay, good. So this is about arithmetic operator. Write down now. Program. Write a program. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. You are praising me today like anything. Your this will make me to feel more responsibility, and I will make you, because it's my selfishness. Every batch student of mine should be a unique student in the Amirpet. Not only in Amirpet. What is there in Amirpet? In front of you, nobody can stand, especially in this place. In my subject, which belongs to my batch student, they are. I want to make them as a jumps, provided you need to do 3 things. Need to come to the class, practice it, and need to do the practicing, reading, and attending the classes regularly. You will get it. Write out. Write a Java program. Write a Java program which demonstrates the concept of. Right, ma'am. Thank you. Write down the program. Write a Java program which demonstrates. Write a Python program. Write a Python program write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of arithmetic operators. Write a Python program which demonstrates the concept of arithmetic operators. So this program I will teach in next class. Ram Prasad, percentage operator is called remainder ma. Percentage is nothing but remainder. Remainder means after the division you will get some remainder na, that one. Remainder. Ram Prasad, you see, I will go to this place. For example, you are saying that 100 by 30, 100% of 30 ma, 100% of 30. How do you write it ma? Ram Prasad, you see, 100, you are taking here 30. I will take like this ma. So I am taking like this 30. So here I am taking 30. Again I am explaining for you. 30. Here I will write 30. What is that 30? 30. What is the number? What is the division? 33. 30 into 3. How much it is? 90. 90 will come now. 90. What is the remainder? Ram Prasad, tell me ma. What is the remainder ma? Ram Prasad only can tell. 10. That 10 is called what operator? Ram Prasad. That 10 is going to be obtained by percent operator. This will be obtained by double slash, this one. And you want a single slash, that will give you that 3.333333 will come. Let me show you all these things in the testing place I will show you. Testing place I am showing. Let us see carefully. Now I am applying print of 100 percentage 30. Remainder is 10. Ram Prasad. Print of. Now I am saying, so double slash, you see integer coefficient 3, percent slash 3.3333 etc. Ram Prasad, is it clear for you ma? Yes ma, done. Tomorrow class when I come back, I will explain this type of program for you. After that, assignment operator, relational operators also I will go for it. Tomorrow Saturday, don't miss the class. Yes ma, Avinash, we will be getting this type of mathematical calculation will be coming in the hackers rank. Hackers earth coding also will be getting mathematical calculations. Right ma? Please take care. And I am going to be up. Naveen is asking, please scroll up sir. This is the one. And please, after completion of your notes, you can leave. And tomorrow class, we will go for sharp 4 o'clock, 5 minutes, we will start the class. Because to cover more subject, we have to enter into the class so quickly. 4 o'clock, 5 minutes, I will start. Yes, ma. Subhashis, you need to download, ma. I already told you, na, which version of Python we need to download? 3.9 by going for, okay, version PyCharm 2020.3 you download. Community edition you download, ma. Subhashis. Right, ma. Thank you. Good day for all of you. Naveen, is it over, ma? I scrolled up. Next session is there. I just want to end up the meeting.